I have a couple of parts on me. It's TRW and Lemforder. It's brand new out of the boxes, and I want to measure the original part to see how thick it is. So we use this digital meter and we'll measure. It's 4.2 millimeters. The original part that came from the car. What confused me is that in TRW this part is thicker. And on Lemforder it's like twice its size. Can you see the difference? So we'll see. TRW is 3.7 and Lemforder is 5.7. 2 millimeter difference, and none of this part is in specs of original part. Have fun.